Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ram 1500 Sport Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white, looks great. You do have that sport hood on it. You do have the white accenting with the chrome on your grille there. You do also have projector style headlights with your fog lights just down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims with our BF Goodrich tires. Those rims look fantastic. Lots of tread still left on the tires as well. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there with turning signals, and you do have your running boards along the bottom. Coming all the way around to the back here, we do have a 6-foot box. You got your dual exhaust pipes back here with the white bumper, and your backup camera right there. Opening this up, looks fantastic back here. Very nice and spacious. You do also have the spray and box liner on it, so nothing will be getting scratched up back here. Okay, we have our keys. We have 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you do have 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in winter, get it nice and warm for you, and you don't have to go outside in the cold. Now, if it is unlocked, all we gotta do is jump on in. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Bit of chrome accenting, control over the mirrors to bring them in there. Handle here, some storage here, and more down here. Looks great in here. The leather trim seats are very comfortable. You do have the controls over the electric seats here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. And then up here you do have the controls over the lights, so you have your off, your on, your daytime running lights, and your auto, as well as your fog lights right there. And you do have your in-cabin light control here. And then up here we have the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our battery life and our oil up there. Then right in the center there we do have what station we're on, which way we're facing, temperature outside, our range, and our average liters per 100 kilometers. Now you can switch that around a bit to our vehicle info. You also have your fuel economy, your trip A, your trip B. You also have your trailer tow, your audio, your stored messages, screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. Now that is control from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel you do have volume up and down, as well as a source changer, and on the other side there is a channel changer. Right here we do have our gear shift, so just like that. And then down here we have the controls over the 4-wheel, auto, lock, low, and 2-wheel. And when we are in reverse, we do have that ever useful backup camera keeping us nice and safe. Now up here we do have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM all right there, as well as our media tab, which we can hook up through USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card. We have our controls over heated seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera, mirror dimmer, and our settings. We also have our Uconnect apps, very useful. Then you also have your climate control right there, and you can turn the screen off, as well as the phone options right there if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Down here we got a volume up and down, screen off, hazard lights, back button. Then you have your browser there, AC, circulation, heat or power up and down, and then the heat up and down with the off, front and rear defrost. And then down here we have our trailer brake. We have our traction control, tow and haul mode, heated seats, and heated steering wheel. Bit of storage right here, and plug-in right there. You got a nice little area right here for some storage, place to put your phone, and you also have some cup holders right there. And then in the center you have your armrest, doubles as a storage container. You got some coin holders here. And then over here we do have a USB, aux cord, and SD card slot. You can close that up, open this guy, and you got even more room just underneath there. And then over here we do have our dual layer glove box, so our top layer and our bottom layer right there. Lots of room, and our owner's manual is inside of there as well. And then up top you do have the control of the little window in the back, and you do have a universal garage door opener. Okay, let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have that same chrome accenting, control over your windows, and handle here. Looks great back here. Seats are very comfortable. You can lift these up, and you do have some storage just underneath there, as well as you can fold these down, and you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. The same is on the other side. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Ram 1500 Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.